Good day, everyone. My name is Doreen Mashingu. I'm the CEO of Impumelelo Educational Trust. With me here, I've got Ms. Mabel Mtimkulu. She's the project manager. Ms. Mtimkulu, over to you. Thank you. I'm Mabel Mtimkulu, the project manager of this pageant, 2021 to 2022. So, what we can expect on the event is the youth of Savi showcasing their talent from music, choir, dances, and many other more. Most importantly, we're looking for Ms. Impumelelo, who will be representing Savi, the youth of Savi as a whole, from teaching them about education, teenage pregnancy, drug abuse, and other more. It's gonna be nice. This will be happening on the 30th of December 2021 at Bambanani Sports Center, and yes, that's day after tomorrow. So we'll be meeting day after tomorrow. Thank you so much. Well, thank you, Ms. Mtimkulu. So hopefully we'll see you all guys there. The ticket is still available. It's 50 rand. So please come support, guys. It's not about the event. It's about educating a black child. So the money goes through to the organization, whereby we'll be able to take one child or two or three next year to school. So guys, please support. And please, even if you're not coming, please do get the ticket. You can donate with whatever amount you have. Thank you. Thank you, bye.